Hey guys. All right, so today I'm going to do a short basic instruction video on how to replace a simple cord plug. So if you're having issues with your vacuum turning on and off, like power issues, one of the first things you want to check is, are the prongs loose? So you can see this is a good example. See how this one moves a lot. So this one is very likely not turning on because the plug has failed. So what happens is, over time, this thing gets pulled out of the outlet and it loses connection inside of here. All right, so what you can do, this is the other thing that can happen, is you have a plug that just breaks off a prong. So you need to replace your plug. Now, I like the Leviton replacement plugs. You can find these online, pretty easily anywhere. And these are good quality and they clamp down really good. And so I really like them. So let me show you how to do it. It's pretty simple. So you're going to cut your just cut your old plug off, just right at the end there. Then when you take your replacement plug apart, this just has like one screw in the center. What you can do is you can open it up, and then you're going to be able to kind of find your distance for how much sheathing that you want to cut off. So for this one, I'm going to cut off. I'm going to cut it off to about here, plus the length of the wire that I want to wrap around the pins there. So I'm going to go like another 1/2 inch. So I'm going to cut about that much off. So I'm going to just slice very thin cut. You don't want to cut too much and too hard, too deep into it, because you're just trying to cut the sheathing, the protective sheathing on the outside. And you just kind of split it and then pull it off. And then you can just cut off the little threads in there. Okay, now from there we're going to strip back our screws probably about that much. Okay, just like that. And then just twist them up. That just kind of keeps the wires together, all the little strands. And then your gold colored screw is going to be your hot, which is going to be the black wire. Now technically you can flip them around because it's alternating current and it actually won't change anything, it won't mess anything up. But just to do it right. So we're going to just create a little hook with the wire, and then just screw it down tight. Like that. And then do the same thing over on this other side with the neutral. Nice and tight. And then we're going to route our wire, close it shut, and screw it down. There you go. So you're all set. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think.